Welcome to Karasan.org. We are proud to present to you a powerful story of courage, sacrifice, and the future of humanity. Red Genesis. At the beginning of human life on Mars. The prologue. In a world where Earth was no longer a safe haven and the future of humanity dangled between collapse and desperation, one hope remained: a journey. But not just any journey. A one-way mission to Mars, to a barren red world where no human had ever truly lived. This is the story of those who were chosen, not to escape, but to build, to plant the seed of life in a soil never touched by it. They weren't superheroes. They were human, flawed, afraid, brilliant, and hopeful. Welcome to Red Genesis, a crimson beginning for a brighter tomorrow. Chapter 1. The Call for Mars. Red Genesis, the beginning of human life on Mars. Year 2050. Earth was no longer the world it once was. Forests had withered into ashes, oceans had receded, and cities choked under skies of fire and smoke. Natural resources were collapsing. The climate had passed the point of no return. In the shadow of extinction, a message echoed across the globe. Global Space Alliance approves Project Eden, a one-way mission to Mars to establish humanity's first permanent home beyond Earth. This wasn't a dream, it wasn't science fiction, it was reality. And there would be no return. The selection of nations, to preserve cultural, ethical, and scientific balance, the Global Space Alliance, GSA, would choose only 2 nations to represent all of humanity in this historic mission. After evaluating 72 candidates, they selected United States, the traditional leader in space exploration and advanced technology India, a rising global power with a strong space program and immense human potential. United States, Johnson Space Center, Houston, Texas. At the glass observation deck of NASA's Johnson Space Center, with the stars of the night sky above, Dr. Helena Archer, mission director for the US, stood before a sea of global reporters. Her voice was calm, her words sharp. We are not training tourists. We are shaping the first citizens of Mars. They will be pioneers of life, not visitors of dust. India, ISRO headquarters, Bengaluru. At ISRO's modern command center in the heart of Bengaluru, Dr. Rajiv Malhotra, chief scientist of India's team, addressed the press with quiet pride. India sends not only science but soul. Whoever goes from our land carries the spirit of a billion dreams. The human trials. Each country issued a public call. Within days, thousands of applications flooded in. After rigorous screening, only 10 candidates per country remained. 5 women and 5 men. They faced tests designed to break the body and bend the mind. Physical tests. Simulated Mars pressure environments. Survival in low oxygen chambers. Suit operations in freezing temperatures. Gravitational stress drills in high-speed centrifuges. Psychological tests. 48 hours in complete sensory isolation. Emergency response simulations on Mars. Long-duration sleep deprivation. Psychological interviews. Can you say goodbye to Earth forever? During one intense session, Dr. Archer said, "You are not chosen for how fast you run. You are chosen for how calm your mind is when everything goes wrong." Final selection. After months of training and testing, 2 names were revealed to the world. Emma Carter, environmental scientist from Seattle, USA. Ravi Sharma, aerospace systems engineer from Mumbai, India. They stood side by side, flags of their nations stitched proudly on their sleeves, gazing at a future none could predict. A mission without return, a destiny among the stars. That night, Emma wrote in her personal journal, "I'm not afraid to leave Earth. I'm afraid that Earth will forget us." Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this story, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment to let us know what you think. Your support helps us continue this journey beyond Earth. This marks the end of Chapter 1, but the journey has only just begun. They were no longer candidates, they were pioneers. 2 individuals, 2 nations, 1 shared destiny. Yet the path to Mars demands more than physical strength. It tests the mind, it challenges the spirit, it questions the very essence of human resolve. In Chapter 2, The Trials of the Chosen, we step into their most intense days of preparation. Will mental endurance outlast physical power? Can trust truly form in a mission built on competition? Stay with us. The Red Planet awaits.